Today we are starting SQL Fundamentals, another very crucial room or tool to know, not only in cybersecurity but in all IT fields. Learn how to perform basic SQL queries to retrieve and manage data in a database. This is another moment, a good moment to say the fact that mastering one SQL database, I mean, it doesn't have to be a SQL database. It can be a database like MongoDB where the data is unstructured and here is structured. It will help you a lot. You don't have to concentrate on everything. Just pick one that you like or one that you understand the language and just try to master the basics. That's it. It will be much easier. That applies to any tool in the IT field. Either programming, just pick a programming language that maybe you have different criteria. Maybe you want something that's popular. Maybe you want something that is easy to learn. Maybe you want something specific. Just go with that. Master the basics. It will be much easier. Now in this room we'll do SQL Fundamentals. It's part of the Cybersecurity 101 learning path and web hacking modules. Introduction. Cybersecurity is a broad topic that covers a wide range of subjects, but few of those are as ubiquitous as a database. Whether you're working on a security web application, working in a SOC and using a SIEM, configuring user authentication, access control, or using malware analysis, threat detection tools, the list goes on. You will in some way be relying on databases. This is true. For example, on the offensive side of security, it can help us better understand SQL vulnerabilities such as SQL injections and create queries that help us tamper or retrieve data within a compromised service. On the other hand, on the defensive side, it can help us navigate through databases and find suspicious activities or related or relevant information. It can also help us better protect a service by implementing restrictions when needed. Because databases are ubiquitous, it is important to understand them, and this room will be your first step in that direction. We'll go through the basics of databases, covering key terms, concepts, and different types before getting to grips with SQL. Room prerequisites. Well, I see that Linux Fundamentals is a prerequisite, but we did it. So Linux Fundamentals, all 3 parts are already done. You can check them under my channel. Learning objectives: understand what databases are as well as key terms and concepts. Understand the different types of databases. Well, I already told you 2 of them. For instance, Oracle SQL and MongoDB. We'll read through the room and they will tell us, but basically it's one uses structured data and the other one is unstructured data. We'll go into it later. Understand and be able to use SQL CRUD operations: create, read, update, and delete. Understand and be able to use SQL clauses operations, SQL operations, SQL operators, and SQL functions. Just another thing to finish this and advance. SQL, or just mastering the basics in a database or in a tool, database tool, it's very easy. I will not say one day, but in 1 week, let's say, you can actually master one. So it's very simple. It's much simpler than a programming language. Answer the questions below. Teach me the basics of SQL. Very hard room.